Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for coming back. If this is your very first time checking me out, welcome. My name is Yusra and I would love if you would consider subscribing. If you guys want to see how I achieved this look right here, then go ahead and stay tuned. Eid look, we're going to be going for a more simple look that you can wear to prayer and you can just, easily put on. So first thing we're going to start with is our face. I'm going to be using the unicorn farsali oil. And I absolutely love this stuff because it keeps my face really hydrated. Next I'm going to be priming my face using the Huda Beauty. And then for my eyelids, I'm going to be taking my translucent powder. And then I'm going to take my Anastasia bronzer and use that lightly on my crease. And then next I'm going to be taking the Perception palette and I'm going to take the highlighter Unbothered. I'm going to be using the JLo and Inglot, and this brush is just from Amazon. I like this lighter. It's very creamy and very thick. While we let that set, we're going to use the Gigi Hadid Maybelline mascara. And now for our face, that's what we're going to be focusing on for this look. I went ahead and primed my face already. We're going to go ahead and take the Anastasia color corrector. Then I'm going to go ahead and apply my lashes, and today I'll be using the Ardell Double Up Wispies, and I'll be right back. Okay, I went ahead and applied my lashes, so while I let that lash glue dry, the foundation we're going to be using today is Milk Makeup Blur Liquid. Now this foundation claims that it's matte and it's very lightweight, which I can feel. So it's perfect for Eid and prayer because there's 1,000 people trying to get into the mosque and it's very hot and very humid outside. So you want to wear something that's very lightweight. And I'm going to be testing this foundation out to see if it's transferable and to see how it cakes and pretty much wears throughout the day. So if you guys want to see an update on this foundation and how it kind of wears throughout the day, be sure to leave me a comment. This is my first time actually using this foundation. And I'm going to go ahead and finish up the rest of my face, which is pretty much my normal routine. Then I'm going to go ahead and mix my two powders, the Air Spun and the Laura Mercier. I've started to notice that mixing these two gives me like the perfect coverage. And then I just like taking a big fluffy brush for this part just to get the precision. And I just take a little bit of that powder and just tap it off and then just dab it in. Just to make sure that I am setting everything under my eye. Then while we let that set, I'm going to go ahead and contour my face using my Anastasia stick foundation in Cocoa. I'm going to go ahead and take my beauty blender and just blend that out. And I'm going to be taking the powder and a beauty blender. Just dust that off and I'm just going to cut. I'm going to go ahead and take some mascara and put it on my lower lashes. And now for my powder contour, I'm going to go ahead and take the Anastasia Cappuccino and I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills blush. And now for my favorite part, the highlighter, we're going to be mixing the colors Booming and Metro from the Shayla and ColourPop. I absolutely love these highlighters. They are a loose pigment, so you have to be really careful when you apply them. But first I'm going to take the color, what's this? Pose, which is more of a gold undertone, and I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it right on. And then next I'm gonna be taking the color Boomin', which has like a yellow undertone, And I'm just going to go ahead and apply that. And I'm going to go ahead and take my damp beauty blender and just go over my forehead, just to make sure that everything is blended in perfectly. And then I'm going to go ahead and take my Revolution spray and spray a little bit of that. And I'm going to take some of this Revolution spray and spray it all over my face. My MAC lip liner in Chestnut. And then I'm going to be taking my lip color in Quickie. I'm going to be mixing that in with the Anastasia liquid lipstick in Ashton. And that's it for my look. I hope you guys enjoyed. This is look 1 of Eid, and this was simple look, at least simple for me. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Until next time.